Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essential access. Make sure your account is verified and two-factor authentication is active so you can change streaming settings safely. Once done, open Creator Dashboard and navigate to Settings, then Channel and Videos, because that's where key details live. Make sure you locate your stream key and the listed server or preferred ingest options. These let you control which Twitch region your encoder targets. This first action gets you into the exact place to set region preferences. Next, you change the region inside your encoder. Open OBS or Streamlabs and set service to Twitch, then paste the stream key you copied. This authenticates your stream. After that, select or manually enter the RTMP endpoint for the target region. Encoders list Twitch ingest servers by city, so pick the one nearest your audience or lowest latency. Make sure to save settings, then run a short local test stream, or use the Twitch inspector to verify the new ingest is being used and latency improved. Finally, you complete the switch by starting a test stream and monitoring stream health in the Creator Dashboard, so you confirm your chosen ingest is handling the bitrate smoothly. If you see dropped frames or high latency, use Twitch Inspector and your encoder logs to identify packet loss or RTT. If problems persist, make sure to revert to Twitch's auto selection or try a different nearby server. Often one hop away fixes routing. One key tip: clear your encoder cache and restart if the new server does not take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.